mandatory, obligated. It's got the word gate in it. Oblongated. What's an oblong gating? Well, get started now. Ring. What is that? Come on. Mighty Networks. Network. Well. Now, how much did they have to purchase? Because remember, magazines, newspaper, that was, that they had to purchase. When you do the fictitious business name registration, you are mandatory. Because if you don't do these steps, then you're not authenticatable, right? So they purchase to have the ad, and then you purchase to not have the ads. Now, why not purchase to have the ads, to see the ads? But no, they have to purchase to get the ads even in rotation, and then you gotta purchase to see no ads. I do not perceive this being the googliness of the creator of so much sources, FCC, AT&T, NSA, no such agency, Morse code, dots and dashes. How long is the light on? Are you trying to send an SOS, or are you receiving a message or sending a message? Stop talking over. I mean, how can two boats in a storm trying to use the light to send the message? Yeah, I don't know. The waves keep interrupting our communication. It's garbled. I'm gonna try to tell her, slow down. Damn. But yeah, okay, great. That's interesting. Maybe I'll check it out, and maybe, it will be a pending project for when I go and maybe stumble upon the advertiser. But due to considering the moving forward, a slight conundrum here. But by design, this which seems to not be very sticky tacky now, because I'd already pried it up, so it's not stacky ticky. No. It's on auto, but since it's hurt, I don't think it's going to. Hold on. Yep. Apparently, if it's on auto, you should have it from the start. Otherwise, dang, it's not going to kick in afterwards. It's done. It's already started. You got to stop and start again if you want the auto flash. Oh, there it goes. The flashy light. Oh. Anyway. Oh, dang. bump it too hard. Oh, dang. Hold on. It got bumped really, really hard. Now it's not turning on. This is... Okay. Okay, that is... That's it. It got bumped too hard. Hold on. Wait. Oh, there we go. Where are you? Aha, right there. You see the cable? The cable for that guy? It's cutting across the heatsink, and it's popping that. And yes, thank you. That is an ocean. I know. Gonna have to pop it back off and try to fit it between and underneath. Maybe then it will get reseated. But the real test is, will the camera be reflecting through the BIOS? Because obviously the Bluetooth non-functional. But you know, anyway. At least making some kind of progressing, moving forward. Kind of want to watch Paula Abdul, Opposites Attract. Like, dang. Not sure. Oh. Alright. Let's tear it apart. Oh. It's just a little bit. It's not that much. It's just, probably hasn't even been a week yet. Or, no, actually. I think tomorrow. Or today. No, tomorrow. I gotta double check. I never count. Anyway. Good night. Grandpa's blessings. Grandma's kissings. Hope to see you later. Later.